let's address a couple of elephants in the room. Yes, you guys, I already have one eye done, and this is eyeshadow primer up under my eye. I just wanted to make sure that, you know, the makeup was gonna look good. Yes, I have a little frame. I do have on the Mighty Patch, the original. I do have one on my face, and I have some foundation covering it because, again, I was just off camera doing stuff. And yes, I do have on a Christmas hoodie. I'm cold, y'all. Low iron problems. But you guys, today I got the Juvia's Place, the Sweet Pinks eyeshadow palette, and y'all, I wanted to play in it, so I thought, why not today? Why not play in it? So I like the little look that I've come up with. So yeah, y'all, let me show you. I don't know why my eyes still closed, but let me show you guys how I got this eye look. Start off with the Juvia's Place Eye Primer. I'm gonna start off with that, and let me move my camera, my mirror, and get, you know, that's my mirror right here, y'all. That's what I'm looking right here. You see me looking right here? It's my mirror. So I am going to just put a little bit, cause a little dab goes a long way. So I'm gonna take my little brush and I'm gonna blend her out. Okay, and y'all, I want to make the line crisp, kind of like how I have it over here, and that's why it looks like that at the bottom. So I am going to just take some regular Scotch tape, and y'all, this is actually, what I got right here is actually a refill for the tape thing, but I can't find it, so tearing it off works just as well. And I am going to place that right here. And y'all, my face, because Mother Nature is here, my face, y'all, she's not wanting to participate, so please excuse all of the, you know, yeah. So you guys, I'm about to get ready to go into the, put a little plastic back on. I'm about to get ready to go into the palette, and the first color that I'm going into is this like dark fuchsia color right here at the top. And I'm just gonna load my brush up with her. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start stamping her into the crease. I'll stamp it in before I blend it, y'all. And y'all, this eyeshadow base from Juvia's Place, I've used it a couple of times, and y'all, it really makes your bright colors pop like no other. Look at that. Okay. And so now that I have that how I want, I'm going to go in and start blending it out. And you guys, for me to blend it out, I'm going to be taking this neon coral color. I'm gonna call it a neon coral. I'm gonna be taking that neon coral color. Can y'all see just how that color looks? I'm not too sure if you can, but it's a neon coral, and I'm gonna be taking that neon coral, and I'm just going to use that neon coral to blend out up here. And this is just to help blend out the crease and feather it up. Okay, and y'all, I did in the beginning when I put too much on, I did mess it up a little bit, but it's nothing that dipping back into that dark fuchsia color can't fix. Just dipping back in that dark fuchsia and just going back, you know, and make sure that I'm blending it in with that neon coral. Okay, and y'all, I just wanted to make sure that I set the concealer under my eyebrows, so I'm going to be taking, child, why I got a piece of tape on there, but I'm going to be taking the Crayon Catch Chalk Dust Setting Powder, and I'm just going to be taking what's in the cap, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to dust that over like that. And y'all, let me be honest, the only reason why I bought this palette, and I know how to do this with the brow bone is from Savannah Silver. And like I said, you guys, I know I talk about her a lot, but I watch her a lot. So gotta give pay homage where homage is due. She is an OG legend in this makeup game. So I know. Okay, so I got everything blended how I want it to be blended. Next, y'all, I am going to be taking a packer brush and I am going to be taking this glittery, I call it a glittery coral color up here. Take that and I'm gonna pat that all over the lid. And with me also patting it on the lid, I'm gonna take it up just a little bit further past the lid and blend it into that crease. Well, blend it in with the crease. Okay. So now I'm going to take the tape off. And I have that crisp line that I want, you guys. Love that crisp line, look at it. So next I'm gonna go back into that dark fuchsia. Get some of that, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Just to tie everything together and tie that lower lash line in. Okay. So you guys, today the lashes that I'm going to be wearing comes from Kiss Lash Couture in Matte Black. Okay, y'all, I am back. I have put the lashes on. This lash was fighting with me, but y'all, I'm going to be taking my Ulta Beauty Mattifying Face Primer. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm going to take this and prime. Just prime my face. Okay, you guys, primer is on, and y'all, I am going to be, since I used the Juvia's Place palette, why not use the Juvia's Place foundation and concealer? So you guys, I'm going to go in first with my I Am Magic concealer in the shade 12, and I am just going to place her under my eyes. And down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm using my black Opal True Color foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. And I'm still doing my one layer foundation look. Well, my one layer foundation technique. Still loving it, still loving it, still loving it. Okay, so which one do I want to blend out first? I am going to first go in with a beauty blender, damp beauty blender. I'm going to, I don't know why I always say, what am I going to blend in first when I know I'm going to go to this concealer first. And now, y'all, I'm going to take a brush and blend in that black Opal foundation stick. I hope y'all are trusting the process. Okay. And next, I'm going to go in with my foundation. And y'all know I'm in the shade Legos. And I'm just going to bounce this onto the places where I did not put any concealer or contour at. You see why I tell y'all to trust the process? Because in the end, baby, it's gonna all come together. All right, and next I'm going to be taking my setting powder and chalk dust again. And y'all, I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and dip it in now to set that concealer. And I'm just taking the sponge and just pushing it in. And y'all know damp beauty blenders with setting powder, top tier. Top tier. Okay, y'all, and to just set my whole face, y'all, we keeping it simple, going in with our Maybelline Fit Me, you know, keeping it real simple. This is what's going to be used to set our whole face. This is what, no matter what foundation I use to set my whole face. And I'm just brushing up under my eyes to kind of brush away some of this setting powder. And like I said, y'all, I have a mighty patch on right there, so if it looks a little funny, that's why, because there's a mighty patch on. I'm not sure if you can put makeup on with it, but I did. And y'all, just because I feel like a little bit of that my under eye kind of got lost a little bit, I'm gonna take some more, go back in to that dark fuchsia shade. And I know y'all probably see the difference on this eye, on the right eye from the left eye in the inner tear duct. And y'all, I wanted to take this color, this pink shimmery color down here, and I took this on a brush and put that in the inner tear duct area. And bam, look at it. You guys see how that just set it off? Okay, and y'all know how I do when I set my own contour. Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. I gotta contour my nose. It's only right. Y'all know I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder in NW48, and I'm going to contour on my nose. And y'all know I got to give myself some glow. Where did I put my highlighter? Where did I put my highlighter, y'all? In my lap. So y'all, I'm gonna keep it really simple with the glow today. I'm not gonna go, you know. So I'm gonna be using the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter. Y'all know how I feel about this. And I'm just gonna place it on the tip of my nose and down the bridge of my nose. That's it. I'm not gonna place it anywhere else. Okay, y'all, so I went and I put on hair, put on earrings, and I took off that Christmas sweatshirt. And y'all, I am in love with this look. So to finish off the look, I'm going to be taking this matte liquid lipstick in the Crayon Case in the shade Fruits. Make sure that lip gloss is off. And y'all, this look was inspired by Savannah Silver. The entire look. Now, do I want to put some gloss? Do I want to keep it matte like this? I think I want to keep it matte just like this. And y'all, of course I had to pull out the long hair since I'm going to be calling this makeup look Barbie Dreams. Looking at myself in the mirror, I'm really feeling it. I'm really feeling it. So I hope everyone is having a great day, great night, wherever it is that you are, whatever time it is where you are. I just hope that you are, you know, having a great time and you're staying safe. You're taking the necessary precautions to make sure that you and your family and friends stay safe. So again, I thank you guys for tuning into my video, dropping by to my channel, and like I say all the time, you guys, peace.